Hi everyone, my name is Akshat. I'm a software engineer at RCCM. This video is brought to you by Boss Coder Academy. Today we have Arun with us. Hi Arun, how are you?
Yeah, hi Akshat. Hey guys, I'm Arun, and currently I am a software engineer at Myntra, and I've been with Myntra for like 4 months, and that's it.
Okay, so you're with Mintra right now. How does it feel, Arun?
Yeah.
What's your take on that?
So definitely Myntra is basically one of the best companies. The culture is very good here. You know, I've been here like for 3 months as of now, and everyone is so helpful here. Whenever I get stuck, everyone is so helpful here. So
Okay,
there
so
is
it's
no
it's a
point, like there is
good
no pressure that you have to do something right away. You can take as much time as you want. No one would pressure you. Yeah.
okay, so it's providing a good workplace environment for you.
Yeah.
Great, great, lovely. So Arun, let's start with the feedback of yours directly. So we'll move on to the very first question. So can you tell me like how exactly what were the challenges which you were facing before joining Boss Coder Academy?
So basically, before joining Postcoder, I was not able to, solve medium and hard level questions. But after joining Postcoder, I became confident in solving the medium and hard level questions. And also, I was not, performing well in the interviews. And Postcode also helped me in improving in that area also.
So would you say it identified where exactly you were lacking behind and helped you to develop your skill further and maybe perform in a better way basically, right?
Yeah. So basically, what was happening, as I figured out at that time, was I was not able to properly explain my thought process to the interviewer, and with the lot of I had 3 mock interviews at Bosscoder, and they helped me a lot in figuring out what I was doing wrong, and they helped me in improving myself so that
Okay,
I can perform
okay.
well in the real interviews. Yeah.
Great, great. Thank you. Thank you for your answer, Arun. Okay, so Arun, can you
Sure.
tell me how did you come to know about Boss Coder Academy and why? What made you think that you should join this organization?
Yeah, so basically it was the end of November 2020. At the time, I was also sitting in the placements, and basically I was not placed at that time, and I figured out that I was not able to solve medium hard level questions. So I was looking for a course to improve myself in this area. So luckily I got a mail from our seniors. Basically, our senior Rajat sir sent a mail at our college domain, and he said that we are opening new courses of at Boss Coder. So I just got on a call with him and just asking what was the course about, what they will be teaching, and what are the other elements in the course. And actually, I was very satisfied with what he said, what they were offering, and also there was agreed that as sir was our from our college, so there was agreed that he would be personally mentoring us. So that's why I just chose Boscotter at that time.
Okay, great. So can you tell me one thing? Like there are so many courses available out there, and what made you particularly think about joining Boss Coder? Was it just the fact that, like you said, Rachit sir was from your own college, so the sense of security was developed between you and him, or was it something else in particular which made you believe that okay, you know what, let me try this out. Maybe it is something different from what others are offering.
So as I told that I was not able to solve medium hard questions. So I just frankly told Arjit sir about this, that I am not able to solve this level questions and hard level questions. So he just said that you just join us, and I'll make sure that I'll give you enough practice questions, and I'll mentor you personally, that you will be definitely able to solve these medium and hard level questions in a real interview. And
Great, great.
yeah, and that at that point I just you know
Trusted the
got to join the
process.
course.
Right, right,
Yeah,
right,
yeah,
right, right.
yeah.
Okay, thank you for your answer. Thank you. So, Arun, can you tell me how exactly did Boss Coder Academy help you achieve your dreams?
So basically, as I have told many times, that I was not able to solve medium and hard level questions. So one thing I liked about Boscoder is that while we were having our live classes with the Manisha, so what he used to do was he always started with the brute force approach. Okay, and then he used to go on to solve it with maybe 2 or 3 or 4, how many different approaches he could give us. He would just give all the approaches to us, and by this it helped us a lot, in think in different directions, like this could also approach, and that could be also an approach to this question, and this helped a lot in improving our thinking process. Yeah,
So it's like we started building the solution from the very basic answer, and then
yeah, yeah,
it
yeah,
kind of helped you to, think in this direction also, that direction also.
yeah, in
So
many directions. Yeah,
overall, right. So evolved your thinking process for that matter, right?
yeah, yeah.
Okay. Great. Thank you. So Arun, like you told me that Boss Coder Academy helped you to solve a difficult problems in respect to the whether it being a medium problem or a hard problem. So can you give me a little feedback about the course? Like what was one thing which you were doing differently before joining Boss Coder, and how did you change it after joining Boss Coder Academy?
Okay, sure, Akshat. So basically, before joining Boss Coder, I was basically not consistent in solving problems. One day I used to do maybe two questions, and then for 2 or 3 days straight, I was not doing any questions. So this was one of the things I was lacking. Then after joining Boss Coder, they were giving us questions on daily basis, 5 questions, 10 questions on daily basis, and it was on to us whether we want to do 5 or 10, but they said that we definitely have to solve at least 4 questions a day. And with that I became consistent in solving questions on daily basis, which helped me in improving my thought process, and building the logical skills that are needed. Yeah,
Yeah, I mean, definitely consistency is something which is very important. Like every
yeah,
person who is willing to, make a change should go through. And like Boss Coder Academy, like you said, it made sure that people are consistent with their preparation, with
yeah,
their, studying on a daily basis, which kind of improves on it's like building one on top of each other day by day, right? So that's really cool, man. Thank you. Thank you
yeah,
so
yeah.
much.
One more thing. Yeah. One
Yeah,
more
please
thing I
go ahead.
would like to add. Yeah. So one thing is that they also maintained a Excel sheet, in which there was mentioned that which person had done how many questions this week. So this helped a lot. I used to look at different people's total count, how many questions they have solved this week, and this was a healthy competition. I used to see, like, I did only 20 questions and that person did 40 questions, so this motivated me to do more and more questions.
So
This
healthy
was also one
competition
thing.
always, right?
Yeah,
Absolutely right. So healthy competition always pushes people to perform better, I believe,
yeah,
right? That's
yeah, right,
good to
right.
know. All right.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
Arun, you have went through the entire curriculum at Boss Coder Academy, and you've been through each and every step of the process. So can you tell me how much rating would you give this course, and if you can probably roll out some tips for the people who are interested to join this course in the future, that will be amazing.
Yeah, sure, Akshat. So basically, if someone is preparing for placements and wants to get a placement at the top PBCs like Microsoft, Google, or anything, so I think this is one of the best course to enroll for, basically, because this course gives you end-to-end supplies for your placement needs. Basically, from
Right,
preparation from DSA to the mock interviews to resume building, and also they have classes on CS fundamentals, which are also necessary in interviews. So they
right.
give all these things which are basically necessary to excel in an interview, technical interview, basically.
So like basically it
So it,
touch bases on all the different backgrounds a person can actually get interviewed on, right? In any of these amazing
yeah,
companies.
any of
Great,
yeah.
great. So do you have any tips for the people who might be interested in joining this course?
So I think the only tip I would give the people is just to be consistent, solve questions on daily basis, 3 4 questions, and if they do so, I'm sure that they will end up good in any, they can crack any PVCs they want. That's, I
Okay.
would say. Yeah,
Great. It was lovely talking to you, Arun. I wish you all the best, and I hope you excel a lot in your field. And please be consistent, like you said. So, for all the people who are watching this video, I hope you all like content and you enjoyed the talk which we had with Arun. So, Arun, thank you so much for your time. If you guys like this such content, please hit the like button and feel free to comment in the comment section down below. If you have any tips for us, also please mention in the comments, and we'll get back to you ASAP. Thank you so much, guys. Take care. All right. Bye bye.